Hey guys, so my second part of my video that I filmed yesterday for your math has just disappeared. So I'm going to record it again right now and just kind of explain what you're going to do on your activity today. Today, after you watch the first video, you're going to be a shape detective. And you're going to look at the shape at the beginning of each row, and you're going to color all the other shapes in that row that match, that are the same. So let's look at this first one. This first one is a square. It has four sides that are all the same. So you're going to find any other squares in this row with four sides that are the same and color them. Now, is this a square? It has four sides, but are they all the same? No. So we are not going to color this. This is a rectangle. Then in this row, you're going to look. This is a triangle with three sides. So you're going to color all the other triangles. In this row, we've got that rectangle. Four sides, two are long, and two are short. So you're going to color the other rectangles. And then in the bottom row, this is a circle. It just has one continuous line, no straight sides. So you're going to find all the other circles in this row and color them, okay? Let me know if you need any help.